Yamaha has once again shaken up the urban vehicle market with the presence of the Tricity 300, a three-wheeled scooter designed to provide stability, comfort, and practicality in one package. Carrying leaning multi-wheel LMW technology, the Tricity 300 not only looks unique but also answers the challenges of mobility in increasingly dense big cities. The Tricity 300 is equipped with a 292 cubic centimeters blue-core liquid-cooled engine, which is known to be efficient and powerful. Its maximum power reaches 28 horsepower and 29 newton-meters of torque, making its acceleration responsive for daily needs and long trips. The automatic CVT transmission provides a smooth riding experience without manual gear shifting, suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. One of the main advantages of the Tricity 300 is the dual-wheel system at the front, which allows the motorbike to tilt when turning like a regular motorbike but with extra traction and stability. This feature is very useful on wet, damaged roads or when avoiding sudden obstacles. Plus, with the standing assist system, this motorbike can stay upright when stopped. This feature is very helpful when waiting for a red light or parking. Yamaha has embedded various smart features such as traction control to prevent slipping, double disc brakes with ABS, smart key security system. Fuel consumption is only around 3.3 liters/100 kilometers. 13-liter tank is enough for daily trips without frequent refills. Meanwhile, in terms of comfort, the ergonomic sitting position, spacious legroom, and high windshield make the Tricity 300 feel like a touring scooter, not just a city commuter. Although the body is large and heavy, around 239 kilograms, Yamaha has embedded a trunk under the seat that can accommodate one full-face helmet and small additional items. However, some users consider this capacity to be still lacking when compared to other large two-wheeled scooters. The Tricity 300 targets the user segment who are looking for a safe, futuristic, and comfortable vehicle for daily mobility. In some European countries, this bike can even be ridden with a SIM car Category B, adding to its appeal as an alternative to a car for commuters. The price is certainly in the premium range, but it is commensurate with the features and technology on offer. The Yamaha Tricity 300 is not just another scooter, it is a step forward towards smarter and safer urban mobility. With 3 stable wheels, a full range of features, and a powerful engine, this bike is perfect for urban professionals who want a stylish, efficient, and easy-to-manage vehicle. If you are looking for a scooter that is reliable in various road conditions and still comfortable for daily riding, the Tricity 300 is worth considering.